If you're just starting out with tech or trying to make sense of all the digital jargon, you're not alone. In this video, I'll explain some of the most common tech terms you'll hear in 2025, in simple language, without the tech overwhelm. Welcome to Tech for Starters, the channel that breaks down technology and tools for absolute beginners. Let's get started. First up, AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It means machines that can mimic human thinking, like answering questions, creating content, or analyzing data. You've probably heard of ChatGPT. That's a popular AI tool that can write, summarize, and answer anything in seconds. Next, API. An API is like a messenger between two software tools. It lets apps talk to each other behind the scenes. For example, when your weather app shows real-time forecasts, it's using an API to get that info. Now, cloud computing. This just means using software or storage over the internet instead of your own computer. Think Google Drive or Dropbox. The cloud lets you access your files or tools from anywhere. SaaS. This stands for software as a service. Instead of buying software once, you subscribe to it and use it online. Canva, Notion, or Zoom are all examples of SaaS. Then we have automation. Automation means letting software do repetitive tasks for you, like scheduling social media posts or sending emails when someone fills a form. It saves time and effort, and anyone can use it with tools like Zapier. Next term, UI and UX. UI means user interface. It's what you see and click on in an app or website. UX means user experience, how easy and enjoyable it is to use. If something looks great but is confusing, it has good UI but poor UX. Then we have CMS, Content Management System. This is the platform you use to create and manage websites or blogs without coding. WordPress and Wix are examples of CMS tools. Now let's talk about SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's how you make your content show up in Google results. Simple things like using the right keywords or writing clear headings can help more people find your website. Let's not forget no-code. No-code tools let you build apps, websites, or automations without writing code. They're perfect for beginners. Tools like Bubble or Glide are popular in the no-code world. And finally, we have open source. Open source means the software's code is public, so anyone can view it, use it, or improve it. Many of today's tools are built on open source projects. It's a big part of how the web evolves. Tech doesn't have to be confusing. With the right explanations and tools, anyone can understand it, including you. If this video helped clear things up, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech content. And if you want a full glossary of easy-to-understand tech terms, visit techforstarters.com. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.